So we'll go back to the custom block library and let's add a custom block. We'll select featured adventurer and let's go to our resource pack. The adventurer we're going to add is Josie Jones right here in step 18. So we'll use her name here. We don't have a description right now. One of the most common methods to filling out bogus text is using a lorem ipsum generator. I'm just going to do a search in Google for lorem ipsum generator, and I'll go to the top one. And if you scroll down, you can select some options here and click generate lorem ipsum. What this does is it takes a Latin speech by Cicero and mixes up the words in a ways to make them nonsensical. Because it's Latin, for most of us, the words are meaningless, which makes it nicely generic. Often designers will try to not use lorem ipsum because it's not very realistic. It's better in some ways to use content that's more similar to the content that will eventually be created. For example, something in the same language that the site is in, or something that will be using similarly sized words or grammar. There's also some fun random content generators. One of my favorites is the Arrested Development version of Philorama.io. But in this case, let's play it safe and use some lorem ipsum. I'm just going to copy a few lines of this text, and I'll go back to our block and paste it in to the description. Let's grab our photo. Again, this is step 18, Josie Jones Adventurer.jpg. We'll add some alt text. We'll put in her full name, and let's save this.